Alright folks, tonight just a quick and short video. This is the P20 Knockoff phone, which is like the second highest viewed video I've ever done, which was the unbox. It's not a really good phone, but we're going to give it away, or try to. So stand by to get all the rules. Let's do the intro. Alright folks, back with the rules about this giveaway and a little bit about the P20 Knockoff. This is quite possibly one of the biggest fakes ever made. Yeah, sure, it's got the pretty display on the back here, lots of fingerprints from me. It does come with a TPU case and a charger and a cable. Which I will send you the whole box with everything that came with it. Everything they claimed this phone could or would do, it didn't. Cameras are horrible. The display is only 960 by 480. I was never able to discern the actual battery size. It does have the loudest loudspeaker I've ever seen on any smartphone. You can sit here and put your finger over it like that, and guess what? Yeah, you can't block the sound. It's that loud. It does not have, oh, it does have a headphone jack. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I actually looked at it. It has a fingerprint reader right down here. Unfortunately, it works with anyone's fingerprint. So at the very end, I will link to that original unbox video, and from there, if you just poke around the site, you can find my final conclusions video. Maybe I'll link that one too at the very end. I don't know why it's so popular. It's not a P20. The cameras are horrible, but as a cell phone, it would probably work pretty well. I have not been able, it does not use a nano SD card. It might use a micro SD, or SD, or micro SIM card, I'm sorry. We don't know. And it's actually very well built, pretty light, looks good. Too bad the cameras are so fake. And too bad none of the specs pan out when you check it with every piece of software I've tried. And you'll, like I said, go back and view that. So, to win this, we're going to make it simple. We need at least 4 or 5 subscribers to leave feedback in the description below on this video, not any other video you might look at or that I've linked. This video with just a simple pound. Oh, I gotta look up what I said in the rules. Yeah, pound P20 Knockoff, yes, exclamation point. Make sure you read the rules. You must live in North America. I have a zero budget. I'm not paying $30 to send this to somebody in Europe or Asia or China or wherever. Not going to happen. It's bad enough I'll probably have to spend like 20 bucks if I have to send another thing to Mexico. So obviously this is another blatant attempt to get some subscribers, and that's okay, but read the rules. You also need to watch our Oontz Angle 3 unboxing video that we did just the other day, and tomorrow we'll have the follow-up. But we need somebody to look at that. It's a fantastic speaker. I'll give you the scoop here. It's even better than I thought it was last night. So just watch all that stuff. Read the description below exceedingly carefully, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. That is going to appear right now. It's going to come up. Just a reminder, click on the subscribe button, hit the ding, and give us a great big thumbs up. No thumbs up on your comment, no entry. It's that simple. And that's all I have for tonight. I'm trying to keep it short, and I'm not doing a real good job. I'm getting a little wordy. I will link the unboxing video and the final conclusions video for you at the end of this video. They'll come up and you can see them. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic night.